Hey guys, what's going on? This video is on Weiman Jewelry Cleaner by Good Housekeeping. This is something that I always kind of buy, and like once I run out, I'll buy it again. It's great for cleaning fine jewelry. I bought this kind of specifically for my engagement ring and my wedding ring, just to like clean it when I can't go to the jeweler. You know, when they steam clean it, this gives it like almost as good of as an effect as the steam cleaner does. So it's very, very simple to use. This is the blue solution. It doesn't stain. It revitalizes fine jewelry, metal, and gemstones, recommended for gold, platinum, titanium, and precious gemstones, including diamonds, rubies, emeralds, and sapphires. Do not use on coral, ivory, amber, malachite, pearls, opal, jade, or turquoise. Just a little word of advice. This does not work on Pandora bracelets. I mean, those rust over time anyway, but I tried to clean mine and it didn't work. So everything else, because it's probably not real silver, I'm guessing, and that's why it rusts, but this works on like everything else. Directions: switch jewelry and try and soak for no more than 30 minutes. Rinse with water, dry and buff with a soft cloth to shine. Do not mix different colors or types of metal while cleaning. I just put like, you know, my engagement ring and my wedding ring, I'll put in here together to clean, but I don't put like other jewelry in it together. Everything else I clean separate. So this is the tray. So you just pop the ring in. I put the ring around this, or both rings around this, my engagement and my wedding ring. And then, you know, I take the brush out while I'm cleaning it, you know, drop it in there for the 30 minutes. And then when it's out, you just want to like clean with this. You could also use an old toothbrush that works really well, and a soft cloth. Thanks for watching, guys.